of November. I'm there 23rd, 24th, and 25th. I'm looking forward to meeting some of our leaders there. I'm not too sure whether I'll be able to meet everybody, but I'm coming there with a specific task of working towards getting our licensing as soon as possible. At Guinness Global, we understand that we need to have our licensing done so that we can get our business legally working in Bangladesh, so that Guinness can help each one of you to realize your dreams, so that you don't have to go to Malaysia or to Singapore to build your business, but you can build the business from your own country of Bangladesh. I should be there. I have a couple of meetings what I'm setting up with some government officials, as well as I'm meeting up a very prominent law firm who will be helping us to get our process for the license speeded up. I'm also trying to meet up with the Commerce Ministry so that we are able to get our license as soon as possible. It would be my responsibility to once again share with all of you, as you build your business across the world, I would sincerely request all of you to follow the norms very, very strictly as far as our operations in Bangladesh is concerned, as we are yet to fully operate from there as a legal entity. But let me also tell you, our products are already approved in Bangladesh through the scientific committee. We have the product approval certificates with us. We already have our legal entity also set up in Bangladesh. We have our import and trade license also secured. The only thing what we are waiting for is the MLM license. And I am coming there to basically work with the agencies so that all the legal formalities can be taken care as per the local regulations, and we can start our business full-fledged. Yesterday, I was talking to one of your top leaders. I would say one of our top leaders across the world, Masood. I'm speaking about Mr. Masood Rana, my wonderful brother. And he was mentioning that he wants to take a challenge of creating 100 diamonds in Bangladesh in the year we are going to officially launch. And I am waiting that dream number of 100 diamonds should happen in 2022, because that is when we are working hard to get the licensing for Guinness done in Bangladesh. I am looking forward for my upcoming visit, and I'll be more than happy to meet some of our key leaders when I'm present there. Once again, thanks for inviting me. And Khaled, I will connect with you separately so that you can give me the guidance on which leaders I'll be meeting there when I'm in Dhaka. I'm actually there from the 22nd onwards, so we can plan for the meeting on the 23rd and 24th. So thank you again, and looking forward to seeing you all.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. We are really happy, and we are so
will not take any shortcuts. We would want to do the right things so that we are more sustainable, because our intention is not just to make money. Our intention is to help build a lifelong business which can live beyond than you and me. We should be able to leave this business back to our kids, to their kids. So globally, wherever we are operating, we have been operating with this ethos and this ethics, and we will continue to do the same as far as Bangladesh is concerned also. So thanks for reinforcing that, Khalid. Really appreciate that statement.
Yeah, thank you so much. And we are
License anymore. It's about dreams of a lot of people. And we feel that responsibility on our shoulders. And that's the reason I am taking this as my biggest and most important task for me than anything else. So this is in the top of my agenda. And that's what I've been working on even the last 2 weeks.
yeah, last Monday, Undi joined in our program, Undi Lewis, and we just talked with her some issues and some experience, because of she has lots of experience, and she made this company. And after that, we told her about the Bangladesh, and she said, "Okay, I'm gonna give." I think she already communicated with you about the Bangladesh part. So she said, "Yeah, I'm going to communicate with our respected department."
And the communication is already made, and we are all working towards that. We don't have any other work other than right now Bangladesh.
Yeah. So thank you so much, and
Pleasure.
I'll keep in touch. So